Sheikh Ali al-Fayfi, the author of the amazing book, لِأَنَّكَ اللَّهُ, because you are Allah, he speaks of a friend of his who he was making his way to the masjid, and then he just realized that the most horrific thing that could happen had just happened. He accidentally reversed his car into his 2-year-old niece. He pulled out from the car, he was panicking, and he managed to drag her from beneath the tire of the car. He carried her racing to the hospital as she was dipping in and out of life. The poor girl was assessed, and her family were told that it's an 80% likely rate for her death. A relative of theirs contacted a student of knowledge for some advice, some comfort. And that person said to him, look, sacrifice an animal and distribute its meat with the intention of her healing. They did just that. And he said, subhanallah, by the time it was dawn, Fajr, she was discharged from the hospital as a healthy and well child. Subhanallah. Brothers and sisters, this is a medicine that you just heard of, that most medics don't prescribe to the ill. Sadaqah, charity. So sadaqah, charity repels calamities, it eases pains, it diverts misery, it yields an inner sense of expanse that cannot be described or quantified. Do it, brothers and sisters. Set aside a sum of wealth for you or for your family. With that intention, are you challenged in your health in any way? Set aside a sum of money for a charitable cause with this intention in mind.